Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to update Roblox on PC and laptop. Alright, let's begin. First, close Roblox. If it's currently open, then open the Start menu and search for Roblox. Right-click on it. If your version is named Roblox and shows app settings, you have the Microsoft Store version. If it's called Roblox Player and shows open file location, then you have the desktop version. To update the Microsoft Store version, open the Start menu again, search for Store, and open the Microsoft Store. On the side, select Library, then choose Games from the top. Find Roblox and click the Update button. To update the desktop version, close Roblox and reopen it. If it still doesn't update, right-click the Start menu, select Installed Apps, and search for Roblox. Click the three dots next to it, then choose Uninstall. Once uninstalled, go to any browser and search for Download Roblox. You can then download from the official website. After downloading, double-click the installer to install the latest version. So that's basically how you can update Roblox on PC and laptop. That's it for this video. Thanks.